Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Urban Nerd coming back at you with another video in regards of how to make money. Because I had a lot of people writing me on my last post in my DMs asking me, so yeah, I downloaded Konbin. I'm not an influencer. I don't want to be an influencer. And I don't want to grow a personal page. Is there any way I could use the same tool to make money online? And I told them yes. So therefore, I'm answering you guys. This is the answer for you guys' question today. I'm gonna show you step by step how to make money online using this simple software, and it's technically automated, so you don't even barely do any kind of work. If you haven't had a chance, subscribe below. I'll be dropping some videos every week, giving you guys the best tips and tricks how to earn money online as well as growing social media pages. So let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do, if you haven't done so, is go to Konbin.com. I'm going to leave all the links below in the description. And here, the first window, you're going to see growth. You're going to see scheduler. So you actually want to download both of these. 100% free, no cost. You don't have to put in your credit card. And it pretty much downloads to your software in seconds. Very important, as I said before, make sure it's a desktop. iPhones, Androids, you can't use it on there, unfortunately, but yeah. Next thing you want to do is you want to go on Fiverr. You want to make an account for Fiverr as a person offering service, so as a seller. And the next thing you want to do is look into Instagram engagement. You want to become an Instagram engagement manager, and you want to start having some clients pay for your service. As you can see, there's people everywhere on here selling the service. And let's just click this guy, for example. He already has 388 customers, 2 orders in queue, and he does the Instagram engagement and growth, which Konbin does the exact same thing, but 100% automated. So he's charging $20. So that's automatically a good amount of money already you can make. $35 for the standard, $60 for the premium. So what this guy does, all he does is like, comment, follow, unfollow people on Instagram for other people. Let's say you have a business, you have a pizza shop, and you don't have time to have a social media manager, and you just, these are the people that they're looking for, because this creates more exposure to his page as well as traffic, followers, and if you do have a business, customers. So this is the very first thing that you want to do is, and he also, let's see what he does. Follow numbers and are growing, engagement. Don't know how the hashtags work. Okay. So second step, hashtags. Very important. Gets you a lot of traffic. But now you say, hey, I don't have time to do my research. I have things to do. It's Christmas. I want to, I might be a student. I have a family. No problem. Next thing you want to do is go on to besthashtags.com. And what this does, it finds all the top hashtags online right now. So in my case, I'm going to show you guys a quick example. I just recently made a new Instagram for my business. It's called Urban Nerd Business Hacks. If you haven't had a chance, check me out. I'm going to be showing also tips and tricks how to make money, as well as the best books that will help you be successful. Also motivational posts every day. So if you're having a chance, follow me on there as well. Anyways, so we're going to go back on here, and this is going to be an example for you guys, so you can just pretty much copy exactly what I'm doing. Let me read this commercial quick. It doesn't matter. Let's type in business. So because my page is related to business. So here you will see business, entrepreneur, motivation, success. Bam, this fits perfect. Maybe not marketing, but it still works. So technically it gives you a whole list of free hashtags, free of charge, copy and paste, works in every niche, fashion, investment, branding, startup, lifestyle, fitness, whichever niche your client has, this will be an added benefit to your hashtag search because it's done in 2 seconds. Okay, so then what you want to do afterwards is you want to go to Konbin. So you want to open it up and you want to log in with the Instagram once again. And then you want to type in my case, I'm dealing with money. We all like money. So let's see what they have. Money mindset. Let's click that. Let's do search limit 100. Find. So like in the previous video, it's going to spit out all the good posts, recent posts of people using the hashtag money mindset. So here we go. It's still loading a bit. Kind of give you different kind of examples. So what I want to do is for my client, I want to select all and I want to like. And then as I mentioned before, if you do use the comments option, make sure you only do 50 comments per day, because you will get flagged, you will get banned, and you will have a client that's gonna be upset because you can't get his service done in the appropriate time. So I did that, tasks, and here you go. While this is running, this is very important. Second step. You want to go now to Konbin Scheduler, because this helps you schedule the posts, which was this is what saves you the most time right here. So you want to go ahead and add new post, and I have posts already selected that I can show you guys on my desktop. You see, so the client sends you posts that you should post. So let's say, for example, no more excuses. So then you go on here, you write a caption, say, make the best of every day, hustle hard. This is just an example. Then what you want to do is make some spaces, go back to your browser, select your hashtags, copy, and then we're gonna go ahead and go back. You're gonna go paste it in here. So here you go, boom, seconds. It took me 2 seconds to literally set all this up. Now I can post this for today, for tomorrow. I can choose the time. Let's say I want to do it tomorrow at Saturday at 1700, and location, like your client, let's say for example Houston, Texas, and create. So there you go. In literally 5 minutes, you just set up a whole campaign for engagement. And as we've seen before here on Fiverr, people are paying good money for that. And this takes you literally 2 seconds to set up and to use. So definitely check this out. If you like what you saw today, if you have any questions, DM me. If you haven't done so, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be dropping more and more fire for you guys these couple days. So yeah, stay tuned. Earn money. Stay healthy. Peace.